Welcome to the installation video for the 4WDB Drawer Pullout. Before you begin, you'll need the following tools. In your box, you'll find the following parts. Place the slide set on the floor of the cabinet. The front edge of the slide set strap should be 3/4 of an inch back from the front edge of the cabinet. Make sure the wood drawer will pull out without hitting the hinges. Use the number 8 by 3/4 inch pan head screws to fasten the slide set to the floor of the cabinet. Place the wood drawer on the slides and push back until the locks click. To disengage the wood drawer, pull back on the release triggers and remove the box. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your product for years to come.